Youth, beauty, magic, gold, city lights.
Hello everybody, welcome to Casa Colette. This is a beautiful piece of property that we have inside Region 15 of Tulum. Welcome, I want to show you this. So we have a parking area for 2 cars. We have a machine area, which is great because we have a private entrance. So maintenance and people of the maintenance, they don't have to go through the house. Please be my guest. So here we have more than 5 meters high ceiling. We have a separation between the living area and the dining area. We have a lot of small details, the lamps that come from Indonesia. We have the nest close to the TV with a gray chukum that reminds us the pool that you will see later. We have at the entrance a very nice, fully equipped with kitchen studio that you can use as an extra bedroom or for the maid, services, or anybody that you want to welcome in your house. Here we have the kitchen with a big open space that gives the separation between the living area and the dining area, which is great when you have dining with friends or inviting people over. Here we have a beautiful stone table that is huge and 2 terraces. We have 1 wooden terrace and 1 marble terrace. We have a black chukum pool, which is beautiful, reminds us Bali. We have connection with all the different areas by sliding doors. And something that is very important that we thought if you want to live it or if you want to rent it on Airbnb or different platforms, we have a big separation between the living area and the sleeping area, which gives us a lot of intimate areas. So here on the ground floor we have 2 bedrooms that are swim up, plus the 2 bedrooms on the top that are identical. And we have here the master bedroom. Please enjoy it with me. From the master bedroom, which is the biggest bedroom that we have a swim up area with a private terrace. Every single room has a private terrace, which is something very important when you have people over. It's raining, but how beautiful it is. And please, let's see the huge bathroom with a bathtub. All right, I hope you like this tour as much as I did. It is a beautiful piece of property. Remember, we have 5 bedrooms plus a fully furnished studio, 500 square meter, 850 square meter land, 20-meter pool. It is a beautiful and brand new house inside the Region 15 of Tulum. And next week is going to be launched on the platform. The rental are going to go crazy. So as an investment to live or just to enjoy, it is an amazing piece of property. If you liked it, please follow us, give us a like, please comment if you want more content, visit our webpage, and if you like it, we will connect you with one of our certified agents. It is a pleasure.